That 300K wedding, yeah, it was also a tax write-off. This wasn't just a party for Jazz, it was a business move. Let me break it down. She partnered with brands, she featured sponsored products, and she even launched a $5 a month Patreon for behind-the-scenes access. Because the wedding directly supported her business as a creator, many of the costs could legally be written off. Photography and videography, easily 50K. Designer, wardrobe, glam team, 30K easy. Event production, styling, and decor, another 40K. And the venue was likely around 100K, partial write-off.
Let's talk about the actual key items needed by the Internal Revenue Code in order for you to write off your wedding. I see this happening. I see these type of videos on TikTok all the time. Let's start with the wedding venue. In order for some of the cost of renting a wedding venue, the venue needs to be designated as a non-for-profit venue. So a museum, a church, a historical site. That means that some of the costs that you use to rent the venue may be a deduction on your taxes. Number two, if you donate your flowers afterwards to a non-for-profit, designated non-for-profit organization, that could also potentially be a write-off. If you donate your dress to a non-for-profit, that can also potentially be a write-off. So what happens with this person who is a content creator and was sponsored by a brand to promote her wedding? You are going to have to prove what portion of the videography cost were necessary for you to promote that brand. So for example, let's say that you spend $10,000 on videographers and the brand paid you. In order for you to promote that portion of your wedding, you're going to have to be able to very detailed say, hey, 5,000 of the money that I spend with the videographer, I personally would have never spent that, but we're spending it because the advertising company or the brand is paying me to do extra stuff. You can see how that's going to be a little bit hard. So writing off your wedding can be extremely difficult. It can be doable. Make sure you work with a CPA who's going to help you to do this legally.